Okay, we're going to walk through how to reset a Windows 10 or 11 local account password. This won't work if it's a live account. That's a whole separate process to do a reset on that, and it's done online. But if you have a local account, particularly be a local administrator account, and you have forgotten the password or you lock the account, this would be how to do it. And I'm going to show you how to do it using a product by a company called EaseUS, and it's called Partition Master. Okay, and it's a paid product. It's a free version, but in order to reset the password, you need the Partition Master Pro. But let's go ahead and see here. Go ahead and click on initially the free trial, and that will download that file that you see here, and click on open file, and then click yes to continue. And it's loading the installer now. Okay, and now that it's loaded, let's go ahead and click install. Okay, now you see the Partition Master is $59.95. That's a lot. I did not pay that much myself. I paid $23.97. EaseUS emailed me a discount code, and then I use Microsoft Edge, and I have one of those add-ons to go ahead and search for coupons, additional coupons, and it found one that knocked the price down to $23.97. And okay, but let's get into it now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and type EaseUS, and you see Partition Master listed as the app. Click on that. That brings up the app, and so you want to click on Toolkit, and then you see Password Reset. Click on that tile, and click Create. You're going to need have a jump drive installed. I have one. It's a Kingston Trio, and you see it listed now as a choice, so I go ahead and select the USB drive, and then I click Create to make that bootable USB. And yes, you're going to erase it, so make sure it's one that you can do that. And it takes a while. It gets stuck at 75%, but it will finish. It can take up to about 10 minutes. Okay, and I skipped all that, of course, for you. And now it's nearly complete. And now I will click OK to complete the process. And click Done. Well, you can just, click Done, and then exit the app. And I do want to quickly show what's on that USB drive by clicking on File Explorer, and then you see it's got the 3 folders that you'd expect to see on a bootable Windows drive. Okay, so now I'm racing through 10 failed attempts to access the admin account. The password is BoGoober, all lowercase. I'm typing random things in there to simulate this. And of course now it says the reference account is currently locked out. At this point, you are hosed. Even if you remember the password, like I'm going to type here, and say, oh, okay, now I know it. It'll give you the false hope of that welcome, and then come back and slap you in the face and say it's locked out. And it may not be logged in. You are hosed, but not. Reboot the computer, press F12 or whatever is the equivalent on your system to get the boot list. And I'm going to select the Kingston drive, and I'm going to boot into, it's the Partition Master on our Windows PE. Click on Toolkit and click Password Reset, but it's not to create a bootable drive. It just says that. When you click on that tile, you'll see your account. Ignore the other accounts. That's from a Ubuntu partition I have. Click on your admin. Notice it shows that it's locked. And then you want to go ahead and click on the reset and unlock. And that doesn't reset the password. It removes it. That's what it does. It removes it and unlocks the account. It'll ask you to confirm. And it says it was successful. And notice the account now shows it's no longer locked. So at this point, we can close this particular menu and click on the Windows logo, restart, and let's restart this computer. And because the password's removed, it's going to go straight into the desktop for admin, which you see it doing. And now I'm in admin. I'm not done yet. I got to add a password. So let's go bring up the command prompt. I'm going to run this command as administrator. Click yes. And type in net user admin star, or whatever is your account. Mine is admin. The star lets you confirm the password. I type in Bo Goober and type in Bo Goober to confirm. It says it's successful. And let's click on the Windows logo. Let's click on shutdown, sign out. And this time it's going to prompt me for the password. And I type in Bo Goober. And I'll show you that there. And then you hit enter. And now you are officially saved.